guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little skiing gnome place setting holders. They're super easy to make, and I actually give my guests their place setting to take home with them, so they make nice little party favors too. So we're going to start with some felt. You can use whatever color you want. Red felt for my hat, and it's going to be cut 4 inches by 5 1/4. For the body, I'm using a piece of felt that's 3 1/4 by 2 1/4. I'm going to use a faux fur, and if you want to know how to cut faux fur, you can watch my Gnomes in Less Than 7 Minute video. At 1 4 seconds, I show you exactly how to cut it. Now, I cut that one a little bit different size. This one's I'm cutting 2 inches by 1 inch. You need a place setting holder. I get these on Amazon. I'll give you the link. 2 spools of thread. You need a nose. You can use a wooden nose, like a little bead, or I buy these on Etsy. They are a felt nose. You need a couple popsicle sticks for skis, or if you want, you can actually put them on a sled, and I have a video on how to make that sled. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 2 spools of thread, and we're going to glue them together. And you just want to make sure that they're straight, so your body goes on straight. Okay. Then once that's dry, we're going to go ahead and apply our felt piece to it. So I'm just going to go all the way around it. A little bit in the middle. And you want to put the edge right up to the edge of the felt, because that's where your skis are going to go. And you want it to be straight, otherwise you'll be doing some trimming. Trust me, I know. I've trimmed a bunch of them. All right. Once that's dried, we're going to go ahead and apply the beard. We're just going to put a bead of hot glue right around the edge, and we're going to attach our beard. Let that dry real good. Try not to get the hot glue in the fur, because you'll not get it out. Trust me. Let that dry for a minute. We're going to go ahead and move on and make the hat. Okay, now on this hat, you're going to leave the top open, because that's where you're going to put your place setting holder. So you want to glue from here down, but you want to probably practice this a little bit and make sure, because you're going to roll it, and they'll cross in the back like that, because once you put your glue down, you're not going to be able to unroll it. Just roll it, and then we'll glue it. A lamp brush comes in real handy when you're making gnomes, because their hair does go everywhere. All right, once you get that glued, we're just going to take it straight across, and we're going to trim it. Okay, now we're going to attach the hat to the body. We're just going to put it on there just like this. And I'm just going to glue the back. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and apply the nose. Put a dollop of glue on the nose. And you're going to put it on and push it up underneath the hat, because you want the hat to stick over the top of it. Just pull the hat back just a little bit, and add another dot of glue on top of the nose, and pull the hat over the top of it and push it down on there, and that'll hold it on the front. Next, we're going to apply our skis, and I'll show you, if you do it on a sled, it looks real cute too, but I'm going to put mine with skis, because that's how I've done all of them. I got glue all over my fingers, sorry. You're just going to put your skis on, and you're going to put them straight in line with the nose. And then go ahead and stand it up and make sure that they're level, because it's going to have to stand up on the table. Okay, next we're going to put our place setting tag in there. Okay, then you want to make sure that your place setting holder is straight. So I'd go ahead and put a card in it while you're doing it, and then push it on down in there. And then you can glue it in, or you don't even have to glue it in. I'm gonna leave this one unglued. If I want to use the gnome for something else later, then I can just glue his hat shut. So there you have it. Super cute for the holidays. You'll want to make a bunch of them. If you like my video, hit the like button. If you want to see future videos, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you.